And welcome, you're watching FYI, I'm Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor. So you have some money on the side, and because it is pandemic, you're not traveling, you're not spending much either, it is work from home, and you've been thinking about investing. How do you want to invest that money? You can think about stock market, you can think about mutual funds, real estate, many people are saying crypto now, but the safest bet still in a lot of Indian mindset remains to be gold. That's a very short way of putting in your money, likely to escalate in the years as well, and will surely give you returns. But if I were to tell you that you could invest in gold as much as just 1 rupee, would you believe me? If not, then you need to watch today's program, where we tell you everything you need to know about the new sensation, which is digital gold, where you don't need a demat account for it, you don't need to physically access gold, you don't even need to visit someone. It will all happen on the click of a button, and you can buy as little as gold worth 1 rupee. That's right. Let's get into our explainer with that. So let's cover some basics here. What is digital gold really? It is a new age way of buying the yellow metal. Now, no need to physically hold the gold at all. Digital gold can be bought online, stored and insured in vaults by sellers on behalf of the customer. So it's a third party really doing all that stock taking for you. It is secure, it is backed by SEBI, it has registered trustees as well, and you can buy for a value as less as 1 rupee. You can buy or sell 24/7, weekends, public holidays, none of that really matters. All you need to really have is internet connection, mobile banking, invest time, and you can just do it from anywhere really. Also, the good part here is that you get 24 karat gold, which is 99.5% pure, certified by the government license agencies as well. So there is, in terms of security, nobody's really doubting that. But how does investment in digital gold actually work? How do you make it happen? Well, the transaction is routed through mobile or internet banking. Transactions go on the market rate of the day. You confirm the order like you book your meal, like you order a burger or a pizza. You get a OTP to verify that, and instantly that amount is then credited, and you get a certificate that you have made this order. And that order of digital holding of the gold, you can even sell later, and none of that time will you need any transaction or any holding of the gold altogether. You can start your investment with very little amount, and you can go on to buy at various levels really, and that really makes it such a big sensation. But like any asset over there are some pros, there are some cons when it comes to digital gold. Let's talk about the benefits first. Well, it's very convenient, as you can make out. It's instant purchase and sale. The good part here is there is no making charge, there is no minimum investment. You can start at 1 rupee. There is no hassle of staring, sort of going back and storing it somewhere, keeping it safe, wondering where to really keep this, and purity that comes certified by a government licensed agency as well. Disadvantages, well, there are no making charges as you would pay for any jewelry. You would pay for something as much as 29% if it was the jewelry that you were getting done. If you're getting coins made, that would go up to 7% making as well. None of that making charge is part of your digital gold, but there is GST, but that's also 3% really that happens. It does come with a maintenance cost, however, that takes care of things like storage, of insurance, etc. It's not much, but still that charge is there. But the biggest drawback here is that there is lack of any official government-run regulatory body such as RBI or SEBI that is overseeing any of these things, and companies may offer limited storage period. Now, this is crucial. Why? Because you can hold digital gold for only a limited period of time. After that time lapses, it's different really for the companies that you're buying it from and the portals that you're buying it from. You have to take it in sort of physical form, which is a bit of a downer over here at this point. Also, you have to take it in physical delivery. That means that in case you cash it, there could be taxes on it, etc. But let's give you a comparison now of how is digital gold different from physical gold. Okay, When it comes to purity, well, purity might not be if you're physically taking it from somewhere. Now with hallmarking coming in, things have become a little easier, but earlier that was not the case. So there in physical gold, it's about 99.5, and here the price is guaranteed, the purity is guaranteed. Comes to price now. Price is not uniform versus price is completely uniformed in the digital space. If you're buying physical gold, you need a big chunk of money. There is a particular amount of grammage that you have to invest in. If you want it in coins or jewelry or even bonds, etc., there has to be a limited lock-in period or a limited amount of money. Well, none of that is really a factor over here when it comes to digital gold. Also, 20 to 30% of gold's total value is making charge. Remember, like we said, and this is generally if you want to buy it as part of jewelry, etc. But when it comes to digital gold, well, none of that, just a 3% GST. Storage hassle, of course, is extremely easy here. So you don't have to go out and take lockers, fit in jewelry over there or fit in your coins or any of that sort, because this is literally taken care of.